Less than a year ago, Carson Mumford was riding on a Suzuki. Then he gets to fill and ride for Pro Circuit Kawasaki, and now it's been announced from MCR Honda, or Moto Concepts Racing Honda, that he'll be racing for their team for the remaining of the 2023 WSX World Supercross Championship, as well as the 2024 schedule. It doesn't say anything about if it's motocross and supercross or supercross only. Who knows? But he did say, quote, "I am stoked to travel abroad to race. The WSX Championship is an exciting new series and it'd be good to get back racing. I'm also excited to be back on the Honda brand where I started my professional career. The Honda CRF 250R is a great bike, and it's obvious that the CRF 450R is too. Look at all the success Honda enjoyed in 2023. So obviously being on 3 different teams, 3 different manufacturers in a year, basically. I think it was like 40 weeks ago, something like that he posted on Instagram riding a Suzuki. And now he's on another team all the way back. But hopefully he does well. I mean, obviously going into WSX is probably going to be a big change from what he's been doing now, not racing apparently. But comments below, you tell me. How well do you think he's going to do? Is he racing both Supercross and Motocross? If you know that. If not, I don't know. So comment it down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.